Every morning before sunrise, the United States Army wakes up. Not with a whisper, but with a thunder. Boots hit the ground. Engines rumble to life. Lights flicker on in long rows of hangars. Soldiers stand in formation, their breath misting in the early chill. The scale is immense. Helicopters hover, tanks roll out, trucks form convoys that snake across the landscape. The sound is a constant hum, the pulse of readiness. It's not just about equipment, it's about people, working as one. The Army's preparation is a living machine, part human, part technology. The drama is real, and it's only just beginning. Step inside a major military base, and the first thing you notice is the size. It stretches to the horizon, a city built for readiness. Barracks, motor pools, and airstrips sprawl across acres. Trucks ferry supplies. Engineers check blueprints. Drones zip overhead, scanning every inch of perimeter. At Fort Bragg, Fort Hood, and countless others, the routine is relentless. Training fields echo with orders. Gymnasiums clang with the sound of weights. Mess halls serve thousands of meals in a single hour. Everything is designed for speed and efficiency. The base never really sleeps. It only shifts gears. Vehicles line up in neat formations. Some are armored, some are loaded with supplies. Soldiers check their gear, then double-check. Everything from radios to fuel trucks must be ready at a moment's notice. The logistics are staggering, but every detail is managed with care. This is the heart of Army preparation. A base is more than a headquarters. It's a living organism, always adapting, always moving. Inside its gates, the machinery of defense never stops turning. Readiness isn't just about hardware, it's about strategy. Every move on a military base follows a plan, a blueprint crafted by experts. There are layers of defense and backup systems for the backups. Technology weaves it all together. The Army uses powerful computers and real-time data to simulate threats. Satellite feeds and drones provide eyes in the sky. The system is flexible. Plans can change in an instant. Every soldier has a role in this larger system. The Army's defense strategy is a web of planning, intelligence, and technology. Nothing says power like the thunder of tanks. The United States Army's ground vehicles are legendary. The M1 Abrams tank, with its thick armor and roaring engine, leads the charge. It can cross rough ground at high speed. Its cannon can hit a target over a mile away. Inside, the crew is protected by layers of steel and advanced sensors. But tanks are just the beginning. There are Bradley fighting vehicles, fast, lethal, and packed with electronics. Humvees and joint light tactical vehicles dash across the battlefield carrying troops and gear. Some vehicles are remote controlled, scouting dangerous zones ahead. Every vehicle is checked and checked again. Mechanics crawl under chassis, testing hydraulics and electronics. Fuel is topped off. Weapons are cleaned. Crews run drills, climbing in and out, locking and loading with practiced hands. It's all about speed, strength, and protection. These armored giants don't move alone. They're part of a convoy, a rolling fortress of steel and teamwork. On the battlefield, they are the spearhead. In training, they are a symbol of American might, always ready, always moving forward. High above the ground, the Army's power takes flight. Fighter jets streak across the sky, engines howling. Black Hawk helicopters lift off in perfect order. Each machine is a masterpiece of engineering, fast, agile, and loaded with technology. Pilots go through brutal checklists before every mission. Every switch, dial, and gauge must be perfect. Jets, like the F-35 and Apache helicopters, prepare for hours before leaving the ground. Crews inspect every bolt and blade. Fuel lines are checked for leaks. Avionics systems are tested and retested. Ground teams work in silence, communicating with hand signals and short, sharp words. Inside the cockpit, pilots run through complex simulations. They train for emergencies, practicing every possible scenario. Night vision gear is tested. Weapon systems are armed and disarmed. Nothing is left to chance. The preparation is intense, but it means everything works when it matters most. When the order comes, jets and helicopters leap into action. The sky fills with the thunder of engines and the precision of years of practice. Each flight is a testament to discipline, teamwork, and the relentless pursuit of readiness. The Army doesn't stand alone. Out at sea, the Navy's ships project power across the globe. Aircraft carriers, each a floating city, glide through open waters. Decks swarm with activity. F-18 jets are loaded and launched. Helicopters sweep the sky. Sailors and Marines work side by side, every motion rehearsed. Carriers are joined by destroyers, submarines, and support ships. Together they form strike groups that can move anywhere, anytime. The Navy's presence is global, from the Pacific to the Mediterranean. Bases and ports supply everything a fleet needs, from food to fuel to spare parts. Life aboard a ship is constant motion. Crews train day and night, running drills for fire, flood, and combat. Maintenance never stops. Engines and electronics are checked around the clock. Every sailor has a job, every second counts. At sea, preparation is survival. The Navy's fleets are always ready, always on watch. Their reach means that American power is never far from any shore. No branch fights alone. Army, Navy, Air Force, and Marines work together, blending strengths. Joint task forces bring together the best of each branch. Coordination is everything. Radios buzz with shared codes. Units practice joint maneuvers. It's a dance of precision, each branch moving in sync. Exercises like Red Flag and RIMPAC bring thousands together. Paratroopers land as jets roar overhead. Navy ships provide cover while Army tanks roll ashore. Every move is planned, every backup tested. If one part falters, another steps in. Communication is the glue. Secure channels keep everyone linked. Satellites beam orders across continents. Teams train to understand each other's language and tactics. The goal is a seamless force, stronger together than apart. This unity is America's real strength. It's not just about firepower or tech. It's about people working together, trusting each other, and preparing side by side for anything the world can throw at them. Behind every tank, jet, and ship is an army of support. Logistics keeps everything moving. Supplies arrive by the ton. Fuel, food, ammo, spare parts. Warehouses stretch for acres. Forklifts dart down aisles. Every shipment is tracked, every item accounted for. Maintenance is a 24/7 mission. Mechanics in grease-stained uniforms fix engines, swap out parts, and solve problems before they start. Technicians calibrate electronics. Inspectors check every bolt and wire. Nothing is too small to escape notice. One loose screw can ground a helicopter. One missed shipment can halt a convoy. The logistics chain is global. Cargo jets fly supplies across oceans. Trucks crisscross continents. Computer systems keep track of every asset. It's a world built on planning, sweat, and precision. Without logistics and maintenance, nothing moves. No tank rolls, no jet flies, no ship sails. These teams are the invisible engine of readiness, working in silence so the Army can respond in an instant. Readiness is more than machines and plans. It's a mindset. It's a culture built on teamwork, discipline, and pride. From the newest recruit to the highest officer, everyone knows their job matters. They trust each other. They train together until every move is second nature. Technology is everywhere, but it's harnessed by people. Soldiers learn to use new tools faster than ever. They adapt, improve, and innovate. Training is constant. Simulators, live-fire drills, and war games push teams to their limits. The goal is clear: be ready no matter what. The scale is staggering. The energy never fades. Every hour, across continents and oceans, the United States Army and its partners stand ready. It's a force built not just on power, but on the will to defend, to serve, and to protect. In the end, these preparations are America's shield. They are the silent promise that the country will always be ready. It's not about waiting for war. It's about being prepared for peace and protecting everything that matters.